you're living in Brazil or planning to move here, this could be one of the smartest opportunities you will see this month. Imagine adding a recognized Brazilian university's certificate to your CV completely free, while also learning skills that employers actually look for. And yes, several of these courses can strengthen your CV while applying for opportunities here in Brazil. Free 13 professional courses has just been opened by one of Brazil's federal institutes. We will go through each course, who can apply, how does the selection works, and which one I believe is most valuable for international students and foreigners living in Brazil. But before we begin, I really want to appreciate the institution behind this initiative. Many of you will remember the free Portuguese classes they recently organized. Hundreds of international students, including many Africans, especially Nigerians, participated completely free, and I've already received their certificate. I was also part of the program and I got my certificate already. The program was well organized, genuinely impactful initiative, and now they are creating another opportunity for even more people to develop their skills. So I want to say congratulations to the entire team for continuing to invest in education and inclusion. Now let me switch my screen and I will walk you through all the 13 courses. I will explain who each one is for and show you exactly how you can apply before the deadline. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to do so. Like the video, drop a comment, share with someone that is in Brazil or planning to come to Brazil. These opportunities can actually get you a job in Brazil. Let's get into it. Alright guys, this is the notice released by the Federal Institute of São Paulo, IFSP, Campus Diadema. They're announcing several completely free extension courses. So I've translated the PDF and of course, so that my viewers can understand it very well. One thing that I always tell my viewers is this: don't rely on social media post alone. So always verify opportunities from the official document, and that is exactly what we are doing together today, right? So let's begin with the courses themselves. We have English, we have Spanish, we have Portuguese for speakers of other languages. We have costs management for business and entrepreneurs. We have production and planning. We have this one, school support and inclusive education. And finally, we have socio-emotional skills and well-being in education. Now, here is something I want to point out. Many people will immediately ask, knowledge plug, which of these courses should I choose? I'm glad you ask if you do. As an international student living in Brazil, this will be my top 3. Number 1 will be Portuguese for foreigners. Why? Because Portuguese open doors. You can have master's degree, you can have a PhD, years of work experience, but if you cannot communicate effectively in Portuguese, many employers will simply move on to the next candidate. So if your Portuguese needs improvement, this would honestly be my first recommendation. My second recommendation would be cost management for business and entrepreneurs. This is particularly valuable if you are thinking about starting a business in Brazil. So opening an MEI, freelancing, or even working in administration of finance. Financial management is a skill that can benefit almost any career. And the third one would be production, planning, and control. This one right here, production, planning, and control, because Brazil has a large industrial and manufacturing sectors. Companies constantly need professionals who understand production processes, logistics, and operational planning. So if this area interests you, definitely consider the course. Now, the remaining courses are also valuable, especially if you're interested in education, teaching, social projects, or developing communication. You want to develop your communication and interpersonal skills, right? So these are the vacancies as we can see on the screen. Some of these courses offer 100 vacancies. For example, this English is offering 100, this Spanish is offering 100, this Brazilian Portuguese for speakers of other languages, the basic level, is also offering 100 vacancies. That is fantastic, guys. So that tells me that the institution is making a serious effort to reach as many learners as possible. Again, parabens to IFSP. Now, here's another thing I like. There is no entrance examination. Imagine that. Students are selected according to the order in which applications are received. In simple English, the earlier you apply, the better your chances. So don't wait until the last day. Apply as soon as possible. And what is the cost? Another piece of good news: there's no application fee, and there is also no enrollment fee. That's excellent because it removes one of the biggest barriers for many students. And the modality, let's talk about the modality. Let's talk about the modality here. I'm going to scroll up a little bit. Okay, so here is the modality section. Now let's talk about the learning format. Some courses are fully online. Okay, for example, look at this one right here. It says online. This one, distant learning, they call it EAD in Portuguese. EAD. So anywhere you see distant learning, EAD. But where you see hybrid, that means it's going to be combination of what we know as semi-presential. That is, part of it is going to be done online, and some of them are going to be physical. So that means you can complete them entirely through the Moodle learning platform. If you're in Brazil and you live in São Paulo, it makes it easier for you. But if you're in Brazil and you live in other states, it's also something you can do, especially those ones that are EAD. Those combine online learning with they combine online learning with a few mandatory face-to-face sessions at the Diadema campus. So before applying, make sure you choose a course whose format works for your location and schedule. Okay, so talking about the duration as well, most of them you can see here, total load time or course load, something like that. Most courses last between 14 and 21 weeks, and that is enough to develop practical skills without requiring long-term commitments. Certificate, yes, you are going to be getting a certificate. You will receive a certificate, but remember, you need to meet the attendance requirements and successfully complete the course to qualify for it. So you will need to meet the attendance requirements and successfully complete the course to qualify for the certificate. The certificate is not it's not free. They're not dashing out the certificate. You actually need to learn something, and you also have to present yourself in the school. Now, don't miss these dates. Application close on 31st of July. Today is 24th of July. So in few days time, it's going to be closing. The preliminary results will come out on the 4th of August, and the final list will be published on the 10th of August. And I'm wishing everyone that is going to be applying best of luck. Classes are expected to begin on the 24th of August. If you are interested, don't leave your application until the final hours. Okay, before ending this video, I would really like to congratulate the Federal Institute of São Paulo. This isn't the first opportunity they have created for international students. Honestly, many foreigners, including a large numbers of Africans and Nigerians from our community, participated in their previous free Portuguese program, completed it successfully, and received their certificates. So seeing them continue to invest in education and inclusion deserves recognition. I sincerely hope more federal institutions across Brazil follow this example. So if this video has helped you, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it with another international student. Share it to your WhatsApp groups. Share it to your university groups. You never know whose life this opportunity could change. And if you are new here, my name is Knowledge Blog. On this channel, we help international students find scholarships opportunity and practical information about living and succeeding in Brazil. And if you're also looking for another Portuguese class that is very, very intensive, this one is going to be every single day except Sunday. I mean, that one is really intensive. Like I said, it's 1 hour. You are going to be learning Portuguese 1 hour every single day except for Sunday. This one is paid, and I can assure you that within a space of 3 months, you would have moved between basic to intermediate in your Portuguese journey. If you're interested, comment Portuguese and I will send you the link to join. Subscribe, turn on your notification, and I will see you in the next video. So that's it, guys. If you find this video informative, I want you to like, I want you to share with someone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.